Hi friends, I came with some of the important opportunity for you. And first important opportunity from the Rivecher, they are hiring the entry level software engineer. So location, job location is multiple location and entry level software engineer training program. So full time paid training will be provided and curriculum developed in partnership with our corporate client. So you will get real world experience and competence, salary, relocation assistance and paid time off. Okay, so this is one of the benefit of joining this organization. Now what will looking for, you should have bachelor degree or higher and legally authorized to work in the US without the need for current future internship. And you have to just provide all the details, okay, and make sure to give and upload your good resume and just click here submit, then you will be means your form will be submitted. Next important opportunity from Safeguard Global, they are hiring the finance analyst and this is also a full-time role. So these are the jobs, roles and responsibilities. So I will provide complete job link in the description, you can go through it. So who are eligible for this? Bachelor degree in finance, accounting, commerce or related fields. Means if you are from commerce background or finance background, then you are eligible for this. And you should have knowledge of accounting principles and billing process, good analytical and problem solving skill. So if you are interested, you can apply for this, and these are the perks and benefits you will be getting. Coming to next important, they are hiring and they are requiring immediate joiner. Skills required: MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, Node.js. So if you have experience in Modern or if you have knowledge of these tech stack, you can share resume to this mail ID. Coming to next important opportunity, that is BT Group. They are hiring the colleague sub service HR support. So if you are interested in HR services and all things, then you can apply. So these are the skills required: that the data analysis, communication, issue resolution, change management, and all you can go through it. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from Upgrade. They are hiring software engineer and job location is Hyderabad. Okay, so this is also one of the important opportunity, and freshers are eligible, means 2025 pass out batch can apply. If you have some experience in cloud platform and knowledge of security best practices, then you are good to go. Okay, and you should apply, especially 2025 and 2024 pass out batch. Next important opportunity from Capgemini, and Capgemini Acceler off campus drive Kolkata. So they are hiring 2025 finance graduate for multiple roles. Okay, so you can go through complete job roles and description. So you should be 2025 pass out batch and you should not have any backlog and you should have basic knowledge of MS Excel. And these are the things, means bachelor degree in commerce, accounting, finance, business. If you have, then only you can apply, and job location is Kolkata. So if you are means comfortable with this location, then you should apply. And friends, if you have been selected for any interview, then I will suggest you can fill our mock interview form. This will basically boost your confidence for the real interview. I also provide dedicated feedback to you. Next important opportunity from the Bima Pay, and they are hiring backend, frontend, DevOps, senior information security as well as IT. So if you are interested for these roles, then you can apply. Freshers are eligible. You can see 0 to 1 year of experience. They are also eligible. Means 2025, 2024 can also apply, and you have to just choose the vessel profile for which you are or for which you want to apply. Next important opportunity, and they are hiring the software engineer freshers. So freshers are eligible, means 2026 as well as 2025 can apply. You should have a knowledge of Java, and if you have working knowledge or some knowledge of this, that is the Spring Boot, MySQL, REST API, data structure, then you can apply by filling the form. This is also a good and important opportunity, so everyone should apply. Coming to next and last important opportunity, that is from the Flipkart Peanuts. They are hiring graduates and MBA professionals. So if you are the candidates or also freshers, then you can apply and you can basically contact to them. Hope informative to you. I regularly post lots of important job updates on my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can subscribe us and support us. And if you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. And those who haven't applied for these type of hackathon, that is the Deloitte Hackspro or service, now this is one the big hiring and big opportunity, especially for 2026, 27 and 28 pass out batch. So I will suggest everyone you should apply for this. Also PNB hiring is going on. They are basically, means all graduates are eligible for this role, and this is a apprentice program, so you should apply because this will basically boost your resume and this is stipend based internship, so everyone should apply. Hope informative to you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.